Tiffany from EcoPureHome, your high-value name brand water treatment store. If you're like the majority of homeowners looking for better water in your home, you might have a few questions before you're ready to buy a filtration or softening system. The two most common questions we get are, what's the right product for my home and water type? And can I install the system myself? EcoPureHome takes the guesswork out of the process. Let's start by identifying the right system for your home. Our interactive guided shopping tool will help you determine what system you need based on known contaminants and visible water indicators in your home. Once you find the water treatment system that's right for you, EcoPureHome provides all the support you need for the installation process. In fact, before you even open the box, we'll talk you through common questions like how to shut off your water and what to expect while you're installing the unit. With a few common household tools and a free hour or two, you're ready to start. Our step-by-step videos will guide you through the process of installing your filtration or softening system. And if you get stuck along the way, you can reach a home water expert using EcoPureHome's online and call-in support resources to ensure a successful installation. So welcome to EcoPureHome. You're on your way to softer, healthier home water.